Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Laili Fadila and my friend.
My name is Adia Pesulia. My name is Ifragani Akil.
And my friend Salsabila Afriana. The first section deals with structural analysis. First, title of impact and challenges of development. Explain constitutionally and reflect the main topic and purpose of the analysis. Yang pertama, title atau judul. Nah, ini adalah akar, dampak, dan tantangan pembangunan. Menjelaskan secara padat dan mencerminkan topik utama serta fokus ke analisis. Second, general statement. Paragraph 1, definition social inequality and position is a broad, non-specific, global, relevant fundamental problem. Yang kedua, general statement. Paragraf pertama mendefinisikan kesenjangan sosial dan menempatkannya sebagai masalah yang fundamental yang kuat atau tidak spesifik dan relevan secara global. Yang third, explanation sequence, paragraph 2 and 3. Explain in detail how the inequality of rights, triggering factors such as globalization, economic policies, and social structures, and its impact, social unrest, damage cohesion, declining quality of life. Yang ketiga, explanation sequence, paragraf kedua dan ketiga, menjelaskan secara rinci bagaimana kesenjangan itu terjadi. Faktor pemicu seperti globalisasi, kebijakan ekonomi, dan struktur sosial. Dan apa dampaknya? Yang pertama ada gejolak sosial, rusaknya kohesi, serta penurunan kualitas hidup.
Okay, I will explain about structure number 4, closing or conclusion. Paragraph 4 summarize the gap is a complex problem and offers general solution that should be prioritized or policy reform, education investments, and welfare distribution. Next is language element analysis. The first is focus on general group rather than specific one. Example in the text are or social gaps, almost all countries in the world have vulnerable group, a handful of elites, all citizens. This focus on large group and abstract concept, not on specific case or individual. Number 2 is use of linking word. Example is in the text are in general, for example in addition, for second, third, therefore, inclusion rather than word and phrase that connect idea, indicate sequence, and contrast.
So, I will describe about language feature number 3 until 5. Number 3 is use of action verbs. Example in the text is widen, require, marginalize, play, interheaded, arrow, damage, and inform. Verbs that describe the processes or action that's the causes of phenomena. Number 4 is use the present tense. The example in the text is in, basic, departed, need, compare, and maintenance. Use the present tense because the text explains facts, processes, or phenomena that are generally applicable and ongoing. Number 5 is passive voice may be used. Example in the text is faced by almost all countries, interpreted from generation to generation. Allah focus on the process and resolve the action, the gap faced, rather than the agent performing the action.
6 of the technical term and language relevant to the subjects. Example in the text: social inequality, reserve distribution, social cohesion, disparity, GPD, human capital, progressive tax reform. Use true formal and specific term from social science or economics. 7. Conjunctions should be used to make connection. For example, in the text, however, either, or, and, whereas, so that, in order to. Conjunction that connect clauses or sentence to show logical relationship, contrast, cause, effect, purpose. And 8. Give us a detailed description to create a rich meaning. For example, in the text, a detailed explanation of the gap that is not only material but also includes access to education, health, employment, and justice.